English 9 Judging the relevance and worth of ideas, soundness of author's reasoning, and the effectiveness of the presentation. Quarter 4, Module 1 Objectives. Evaluate the relevance and worth of ideas presented in the material, react critically to assertions made by a speaker or writer, and discover literature as a means of having a better understanding of human beings and their environment.
Authors have opinions that influence how they present their subject matter. Sometimes, an author slants facts towards his or her personal beliefs. As a reader, it is useful to recognize the ways in which an author uses bias to slant a piece of writing. It is also important to distinguish between a fact and opinion so you can detect whether the information is correct or not. A fact is a truth. A fact is a statement of truth that can be verified and can be proven as true. On the other hand, an opinion is a statement that reflects an author's or the speaker's point of view, beliefs, perspective, personal feelings, and values. Opinions cannot be verified and proven to be true or false. Read the brief passage below and identify the fact and opinion. Research has indicated that a person's pulse rate, blood pressure and respiratory rate increase when the person is under stress. All people, therefore, should do stress management techniques on a daily basis. The fact in the above statement is, a person's pulse rate, blood pressure and respiratory rate increase when the person is under stress. This statement has been proven to be true. The opinion in the above statement is, all people, therefore, should do stress management techniques on a daily basis. This is subjective and has not been proven to be true. It is also important that as a reader or listener, you should also learn how to react critically and emotionally to issues raised and assertions made by a speaker or writer. When reacting critically to what you read, judge the relevance and worth of the ideas presented, the soundness of the author's reasoning, and the effectiveness of the presentation of the topic being discussed. To judge the relevance of the material, ask the following questions. Does the information relate to your research question? How complete is the information? Does it still reflect the present situation? Is the information correct? Are factual descriptions correct and based on hard facts? Are opinions supported by facts? Is it a fake news? On the other hand, an argument or reasoning is sound if it is both valid in form or it makes sense. Consider the following questions. What do you notice about the structure of the essay? How does it begin? What is included in the body paragraphs? How does the essay end? Moreover, if an argument is sound, the conclusion must be true. Analyze the sample syllogism below. Syllogism, a deductive scheme of a formal argument consisting of a major and a minor premises and a conclusion. Premise, something taken as being true or factual. Premise 1, every virtue is laudable. Premise 2, kindness is a virtue. Conclusion, therefore, kindness is laudable. In this example, the premises 1 and 2 and the conclusion are true. Therefore, the argument is sound or valid. When it comes to presentations, a written work can be judged using the following points. Appropriateness, are the materials used suited to the assertions made by the speaker? For example, when a speaker makes assertions on technology innovations, are televisions and recordings appropriate to use? Effectivity, do the materials support the speaker's assertions? Do they facilitate better understanding of the assertions? Clarity, are the materials understandable? Are they organized?